video I have the May TOYL box to play with. Let's open it on up to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today's video I have the May TOYL box. Here it is. In the box we get the edit card. It has information on everything in here, which is great. Let's have a look. It says this box's contents is worth £107. Fabulous. And it's always packed neat and tidy. This is the most expensive beauty box that I get. It's £39.99, so basically £40 a month. And it is meant for the more mature skin type. But personally I'd say there's no age restriction on it. If you want to get it young, prep your skin while you can. But yeah, let's have a little sneaky peek to see exactly what we've got. I'm just going to lift everything up. There is the sneak peek for you. I found a code. I don't know if it's a recent code, but it's on their website, and I think it's capital letters hello, and you get your first box 50% off. Check it. I'll leave the link down below for you. Give it a click, head over and yeah, check it out, see if that is true or not. But yeah, let's get digging to see exactly what we've got. Right, so the edit card, let's open it up. So it just has the name of the edit here, which is the Luxury Jet Set Hair and Beauty Edit. Fabulous. The first product we have to play with is this. So this is by the brand Perricone ND. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. Fabulous. And this is a daily brightening and exfoliating peel. This has an RRP of £61, and it just says an advanced no rinse resurfacing peel that helps to eliminate dead skin cells and smooth uneven texture, while instantly improving skin's radiance and glow. Gently enough to use daily, this lightweight, fast-absorbing liquid peel helps to visibly brighten, tighten and reduce the appearance of discoloration and dark spots over time to promote visibly healthy, luminous-looking complexion. Sounds great. I do have melasma and pigmentation, dark pigmentation on my face, so great. Saturate a cotton pad or apply with fingertips. Soothe over a cleansed face and neck daily. Avoid the eye area. No rinsing is needed. Once fully absorbed, follow with your favourite moisturiser. So sounds easy enough. Let's have a look. So inside we have the bottle, and then we also have the pipette. I'm not going to open this up because I want it to stay nice and fresh, because this is expensive and I don't want to waste it. But yeah, vitamin C ester, that's what it looks like. Very nice packaging indeed. But yeah, that looks so cool, and what a great brand. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley, and this is Swim Cap. Okay, it has an RRP of £20. And it says it shields the hair from chlorinated and salt water. Protect your hair when sunbathing and swimming with the water resistant mask. Hydrolide elastin adds strength, body and elasticity to reduce breakage. There is castor oil to help lock in moisture, and olive oil, which is high in vitamin E and essential fatty acids and helps to lock in moisture and boost shine. Let's have a look. Apply in sections to damp hair and comb through. Leave the treatment on your hair to guard against sun and water damage while sunbathing and swimming. To remove, rinse well, then double shampoo. Okay, and follow with conditioner. Yeah, that's certainly going to come in handy with the nicer weather. I think I might take that on holiday with me. I'm going on a cruise in a month's time, and I'm certainly going to be getting in a pool, so that's really come in at a useful time indeed. Third item we have in the box is this. So it's by the brand Alpha H, and it is liquid gold with glycolic acid. It says that this is great skin in a bottle. Use up to 3 times a week, no more. At night, it'll help with fine lines and wrinkles, dullness and pigmentation, all from one brilliant bottle. Sounds amazing. It gently exfoliates clear dead skin and pollution, resurfaces and revitalizes the complexion to improve luminosity and tone, assists in stimulating collagen production. great. Promotes hydration and moisture retention, minimises the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, pigmentations, open pores and sun damage, strengthens the skin's protective barrier, a pH of 2.8 to 3.0, which temporarily compromises the skin barrier to facilitate deeper penetration of the active ingredients. Trust us, this is a good thing. That sounds absolutely freaking awesome. So yeah, use alternative evenings, like I said, up to 3 nights per week. And it's 5 drops apparently after cleansing. Moisten in a cotton wool pad, sweep it over the face and neck and décolleté area. Leave liquid gold to work, unadulterated, and avoid following with other products, as this will buffer the efficiency of the product. If your skin is slightly sensitive, you can apply your preferred Alpha H moisturiser or serum afterwards. Once your skin is touch dry, it's normal to experience a tingling sensation for a few minutes after the application of liquid gold. This will soon dissipate, and you'll be left with a firmer, more vibrant, resilient complexion. Wow, oh wow. I'm really excited about this. There it is, nice plain simple bottle, which is all you need if the products speak for itself, isn't it? Okay. I am certainly excited to slap that on my face. The 4th product we've got in the box is this. So this again is by the brand Philip Kingsley, and this is their elasticizer. This has an RRP of £12 and it just says strands that feel like straw, frizziness out of control. Elasticizer pre-shampoo treatment brings frizzy, tangled strands back to life instantly. Designed to put the elasticity back into dry, dehydrated strands for a dramatic reduction in breakage. Apply before shampooing, dampen your hair with water, and liberally apply the elasticizer to sections, to your mid-lengths to your ends basically. Cover your hair with a shower cap, your best cozy towel. Leave for a minimum of 20 minutes. The heat created helps your hair cuticles so they can absorb the nutrients properly. There's no maximum time, so you can sleep in it if you want to, which is great. Rinse thoroughly, then shampoo and condition as normal. I have used this product before. I've done a video on it. I will link that video up there, so make sure to check it out, because I'm not going to tell you what I think of it. You'll have to check that video out. 5th and final product we have is this. So this is by the brand olehenriksen, and it's a strength trainer peptide boost moisturizer. And this is classed as a mini treat in the box. It has an RRP of £5.58 and it just says a daily moisturizer packed with peptides, collagen and hyaluronic acid that's clinically tested to instantly double hydration, boost elasticity and improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply evenly to the face and neck day and night. So yeah, cool. That sounds great. What a good brand as well, olehenriksen. That is the cutest little pot ever. Love the colour. Again, I'm not going to open it because I would like to use this fresh and get all the benefits that I can out of it. But yeah, really happy with that. Right guys, so this is the Luxury Jet Set Hair and Beauty Box Edit, the May TOYL box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a fabulous box. There's some great brands in here. Wow. Philip Kingsley is always a winner. Perricone MD, amazing. Alpha H, yeah, certainly very nice. Really nice products. And of course we have the olehenriksen, which is an absolute fab brand as well. I am so looking forward to slapping these on and using all of these products with an inch of the life. Yeah, what do you think? My chair's squeaking. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Again, I'll leave it linked down below in the information box if you are interested in subscribing this for yourself. But yeah, that basically concludes my video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.